Hi guys,
it's Miss Deana
and Miss Nicolette from Steps 4.
And today we are going to learn how to make a chef's hat, English muffin pizza, and pizza bagels.
We hope you guys enjoy.
You are going to need is a glue stick, scissors, tape, and 2 pieces of computer paper. You are going to put the 2 pieces of the computer paper together. Then you are going to take your tape and you're going to tape it down the middle. Okay, then you're gonna take your glue and at the bottom half of the paper, you are going to just make a line straight across and then fill it in with glue. Okay, then you will fold your paper. So at the top, you're gonna fold it all the way down to the bottom. And you're just gonna press down where the glue is. And then with your scissor, you are going to just cut the top. Just about halfway, maybe not even. So you're gonna do that all the way until you get to the end. Okay, and then what you're going to do is fold it. Now I would measure it to the size of your child's head because it probably might be a little too big. And then once you do that, you're gonna then, you could either take the tape or the glue. I'm gonna take the tape and then I am going to just tape it right on the seam. It should look like that.
Alright guys, so we're going to make English muffin pizzas and pizza bagels. So the first thing you're going to do is you can buy pizza sauce in a jar from the store already or in a can. I like to buy tomato sauce and I add my seasoning in it. So I put salt, pepper, oregano, and a little bit of basil and parsley. I heat it up on the stove just because that's what I like to do. You don't have to heat it up on the stove if you don't want to. So we're using regular Thomas's English muffins and a bagel that we got from the bagel store. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up your spoon and you're going to start putting a little bit of sauce on it and you're going to rub it around. So go ahead, Joe. Put the sauce on the pizza for us. Make sure you get it all over. You want it to be nice and saucy. Good. Gotta go to the next one. Good job. Can I try one? Can I try the bagel?
And then I'm going to try to do the next one.
Alright, sounds good to me. I know a lot of the kids in my class, they love pizza, so I'm sure a lot of them will really enjoy this because every time we have a pizza party, they eat like 3 or 4 slices of pizza. They love having their pizza. All right, Joe, go ahead. You can do the last one. Want me to hold it for you? Go ahead. One more. Good job. Let's get a little more on there too. Good boy. Perfect. Oh, you're gonna spill it in my hand. Okay. Good job. Put a little more. All right. That should be good. So next what you want to do is, I like using some Parmigiano Reggiano grated cheese. So I just have this kind in a bag. You can use any kind you want, and you're going to take some. You're going to get it in your hands, and you're just going to sprinkle it around on the sauce. You can use a lot, you can use a little. I love cheese, so I like using a lot, but you guys can use however much you want. Good? Perfect. All right, and then last we're gonna take just regular mozzarella. You can buy Polio. I bought the ShopRite brand, and you're just going to have your child put it on top of the pizza, put it around the bagel, just like that. Good job. Put it on the English muffin. This is one of my favorite childhood snacks, so I'm sure everybody will like this. You have it.